be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I know it's been a while. It's been a while since I've come to you with a sneaker pickup video. I haven't been copping that much. There's a couple pairs that I've got that I didn't do a video on. I'll just show you real quick. One is this one, and there they are here, the Jordan 1s. Alright, so these are in the house. And also from the Jordan 1 camp, I also got these bad boys right here. And there they are. Okay, another pair of Jordan 1s, okay? So I know it's been a while, but I have copped a few. I just didn't bring you a review on those, and I'm not going to. Alright, but this pair today, this pair that I'm going to bring you, man, I have been waiting on this shoe since January. I've been waiting on this shoe since January, at least since January. I believe that the first time that I saw them actually was in December, and it said that they were coming soon, and they had never come. I had just been waiting. I go to the Adidas website. I keep checking. I see if they've been released on the Adidas website, and they just were never there, except in Adidas UK, which I don't have access to anymore. I can't get them the way that I was able to before. But speaking of that, they have a pair of the Lakers Adidas Forum High 84 on Adidas UK, and I can't get them. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into what we got here today, man. I found these on kith.com, and I just happened to be breezing through the site, checking the site. I don't even know what I was looking for. I wasn't really planning to buy anything, and I breezed through the site, and they scrolled up, and I said, oh my God, they're here. And I said, please have a size that I can fit, and they did. So I went ahead and copped, and Kith, them and Extra Butter are the only two sites that I've seen that have them. So not even the Adidas website has gotten these shoes in. So let's go ahead and get into them, man. Boom. You recognize that? The 3 stripes and plastic waist there. Adidas. Alright. So these are the Adidas Forum 84 High. Alright. Got these in a size 13. Alright. And the colorway is white and black. Alright. White and black. So let's go ahead and bring these bad boys out. Right here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. So let's go ahead and bring these bad boys out. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Ralph TV. Individually wrapped. So let's go ahead and get them out of here. Whew. Man, finally. left shoe first, baby. Yeah. Yes. The Adidas Forum 84 High in the regular black and white colorway. All right. Man, I've been waiting on this one. All year I've been waiting on this one. It looks like, it reminds me of just this regular black and white. It just reminds me of how the Adidas Superstar looks. The regular Adidas Superstar, all white, black, 3 stripes. It just has that classic look. This is that classic look, man. This is why I've been waiting on it, because it's just a regular classic look, man. Nothing special, just the black and white. Man, I really dig these, man. I've been waiting on them all year. Glad that I just happened to be scrolling that day and found them. Look elsewhere besides the Adidas app and you come up sometimes, man. These are dope. I'm glad that they went with this and that they didn't put like a black color on the bottom, on the outsole there. They did these kind of like the UNCs. I don't know where I put my UNC colorway, but this is how they did those. Where did I put my UNC colorway? They're up there. They're up there now. But that's how they did these with the regular cream colorway on the bottom. And as a comparison to the UNCs that I mentioned, as you can see, here's that color, that UNC color, boom, with the blue, but they just left it with the cream outsole. They didn't add any Carolina blue to that. And they did a similar job here with the blacks. You know, very basic, black and white. There's a little hint of like the gray on the suede there on the back. And then you can see it's a real light cream or off-white kind of color going right there. But man, these are dope, man. These are dope. The quality on these bad boys is amazing. The leather quality is amazing. Man, look at that. Look at the leather quality on these bad boys right here, man. These are amazing. These came out well. Look at the, let me undo the strap. Look at the quality on the strap. You can see the tumbled leather on the strap itself. Man, let me take that off. Good quality strap. On the tongue, you have your Adidas logo in white and gold. So on the front, you have the logo and the word Adidas. On the back, you just have the logo there, no wording. Okay? Let's bring out the laces. The regular off-white colored laces. On the inside, let me get that paper out. On the inside, with the insole, it just says end plastic waste. All white insole, end plastic waste. Alright, just as it said on the box. Black liner going around there. Very nice. That tumbled leather on the black right here. Man, look. The material where the toe box is. I know it's a white shoe and it's not helping off the light there, but man, that is some nice soft leather. Nice soft leather. I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are $120. Alright, so you are getting amazing quality for $120. These, once again, I said in every Adidas forum review that these are Jordan 1 quality. And Jordan 1s cost $50 more than what these are. But these are the same quality, if not better than some Jordan 1s. You know what I mean? So Very dope, man. I'm glad that I was able to get these. I'm just really happy to finally have these, man, because these are the ones that are going to be able to go with most everything. Nice all white and black. Man, these remind me of the Adidas Superstars, man. The shell toes, all white with the black stripes. Just have that classic look, man. These most definitely are just too sweet. And man, I'm gonna give these the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, man. These are fresh. These are definitely fresh, man. I like these a lot. I like these a lot right here, man. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Did I mention the bottom? You see your Adidas logos. Each circle has an Adidas logo in it here. Turn it the other way. The Adidas logo reads that way. There is an Adidas logo there on the outsole. Right there. Or on the midsole, I'm sorry. Right there. Tumbled leather going all the way around to where the laces are. There. You have your Adidas logo on the outside there where the strap begins. Man. And then that gray kind of suede is up here around the collar. Little bit around the collar before you get to the black. And then all around the back is that little bit of that gray suede. Alright. But these are dope, man. Definitely recommend these. If you see them, I would recommend going ahead and buy them. Kith still has them. Like I mentioned, Extra Butter has them as well. So if you see them and you like these, I highly recommend you getting them, man. These are too sweet. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.